It's raining, it's raining. Why this rain? Why, rain god, why? Independence Day! It's a wet Independence Day. Come on, please stop raining for at least half an hour so that I can make the video and then go back home. Till the time, please stop. I wish I could have also gone like that, but I have a non-waterproof SJ 4000 at the moment, and I don't have the rain liner inside my riding jacket, so I will get wet in no time. So would be the microphone. Let me save it a bit. Can use the GoPro, of course, but the problem would be the GoPro will not record, because what I use a GoPro model, it's a GoPro Hero, the very basic one, and that does not have any mic input. I mean, it does record the audio fine if you are not using the waterproof door. Like, there is an extra door which is provided, which has got two nice big rectangularish holes at the back that lets the audio go in, and it does a very good job, but not in this weather. And also that casing is back at home. I don't have it. I actually want to do this vlog with the SJ 4000 because I also personally wanted to test how the microphone is working, because yeah, I know the GoPro will do the job because it's in the waterproof casing. But this rain! Shall I start it off? Shall I? I believe I can. Let's start. I won't be doing high speeds or even think of doing it because the road is very slippery at the moment, and the tire pressure on the front wheel actually is on a higher side, which is my mistake. Even on this one, like that. Do you see a little bit of Indian flag there? Saffron, white and green. Hold on, what is that white thing? Is that the kid? The face of the kid? Don't tell me. Signal. Wow, they are happily standing on the stop line. One person standing on the zebra crossing. Wearing, I guess that's the flag of US.